Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. We begin this afternoon broadcast with a story that sounds too incredible to be true. Students and teachers at a well-known boarding school in Sentul, Indonesia, are reporting a sighting that has left the nation stunned. The creator described it as a dragon, was allegedly seen flying above this Aiden boarding school in early hours of this morning. What really happened in the hills of Sentul this tonight? We bring you exclusive coverage of the event now being viral across the world. And how if the dragon burned the IDN boarding school Sentul? If it will burn or the IDN will get more money because the IDN catch the dragon. Okay, for Mr. Nino, how is in there?
Okay, Mr. Rukasha, I'm here live at IDN Boarding School Sentul, where students and staff are still reeling from what they claim was a terrifying yet awe-inspiring encounter with a flying, fire-breathing creature. Something they are calling witness said that even took place around 3:12 a.m. just after midnight. Okay, Mister. What is your name and how great are you?
My name is Rizky Algan Ramadan. I'm from grade 11.
So, how do you feel when the dragon attacking us like they are flying above IDN Backpacker School Sentul?
Me and my friend, when we are in the class, we all got panic by the dragon. So we search a safe place to hide
Where is the safe place?
in our dormitory.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Rizky. Nice to meet you. So, everyone, I have met the second person. So, I will ask him about how he is feel when there is dragon at IDN Backpacker School Sentul. So, hello, Mister. What is your name?
My name is Badal Zahran.
What are grade you from?
I'm from 10th grade.
Okay, Mister. I wanna ask you that. How do you feel when there is a dragon above the IDN?
Well, I feel confused and I shocked because the dragon throw flame. I forgot where he throw the flame, and he flying over above IDN, and then all of the students saw the dragon. I don't know if they is in the bedroom or somebody else. They saw it and then they said, "Look, there's a dragon." So everyone in dormitory get out for checking if there is a dragon or not.
Okay, Mister. Where do you hide in the safe place in this IDN Backpacker Sentul that you think that is safe from the dragon?
I think I will hide in river. In the river.
So you will swim in the river.
No, just sit in the rock.
Oh.
But I hide in like in the tree or anything else like so the dragon cannot see me in above.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Bari. You can go back.
Okay.
As authorities attempt to piece together what happened, the school has released drone footage and CCTV clips from the area surrounding the dormitories, while much of the footage is blurry or distorted. One video in particular showed shadowy winged shape moving across the night sky. Dr. Rebecca Tan said there are natural phenomena that can sometimes create illusion. Ball lightning, heat waves, even rare meteorological effects. However, the consistent description from multiply eyes witness do raise question. And then Dr. Arif Maulana said, in Indonesian folklore, dragons or naga are guardians of ancient place. Their appearance is said to signal a spiritual disturbance or change in natural balance. Historically, their sightings are linked to period of unrest, natural disaster, or transformation. And I have asked to the school representative. They said our top priority is the safety and well-being of our student. We are working with authorities and science to understand what happened, and we want until we find answer. So, Ukasha, time is yours.
Okay, thank you for Mr. Nino. Uh, I think as expected, the internet has exploded with speculation or hashtag like hashtag Sentul Dragon and hashtag Dragon at IDN and hashtag myth or real are trending worldwide. While some dismiss it as a hoax, others are convinced that what was seen is real and dangerous. And then local authorities have launched an investigation, deploying teams to the surrounding forests and hills to search of physical evidence. Drones, heat scanners, and patrols units are sweeping the area for sign of large-scale movement or burns. And then, interestingly, several student and teachers mention strange occurrence leading up the sighting. Flickering lights, the rumbling sounds from the hills, and a sudden drop of temperatures to night before the event. Some believe there were early warning sign of what was to come. And then I already asked so many teacher and someone science teacher or Miss Sari, we can say, he answered to me like this. We noticed some electromagnetic events in our lab devices the day before. At the time, we thought it was just a power fluctuation. Now I'm not so sure. And Misari said like that to us. And then cultural and spiritual perspective like Dr. Maid Arya, he as a cultural historian said dragon in Southeast Asian cultures are not always evil. They often symbolize power, nature, and protection, but when they appear, at least in legend, it is always for a reason. And then local religious leader Ustadz Hamdani said, we urge people not to jump to conclusion, but also to mark what they do not understand, whether real or symbolic. Even like this, a reminder to reflect on our relationship with nature and with the unseen world. Okay. Speculation continues to swirl. It is the secret government experiment, are a rare animal never seen before, a viral marketing campaign for a new movie, or as some still believe, is it proof that ancient legends were based on real encounter? And I asked the many expert commentator, and I get some answer from the expert commentator. He said it wouldn't be the first time science caught out the mythology. Remember, the Komodo dragon was once thought to be a myth too, until it wasn't. Okay, that's all from me. And for Mr. Nino, how is it in there?
Okay, Ukasha. The good news, no student were harmed and the school has resumed normal operation. Though with increased security and a few cancelled outdoor activities, parents has been notified and okay, Ukasha. The good news, no student were harmed and the school has resumed normal operation. Though
Okay, thank you for Mr. Nino, and thank you. I think that's all for the news, and thank you. My name is Sukasha, as the reporter for that detailed report. This is incredible story of dragon sighting at IDN boarding school Sentul. Is still unfolding, and we will be following it closely. And you are watching Ukasha Hasad channel. Have great afternoon and stay safe. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time.